All right, and now we're going to talk about the tools that you can use, right? As I mentioned throughout this entire video, there's many different options out there. First of all, the social media channels themselves to give you these tools to allow you to create videos, right? But let's say in theory you would generate a video, right? Either film a video with your phone, with your iPad, with your computer, with your camera, whatever the case might be, and just start creating content. There's many different platforms and many different tools out there, like, Canva. There's CapCut. Like I said, CapCut is an integration with TikTok, right? That allows you to create content. They have many different templates. I'm not going to show it now on screen, but there's many different templates that allow you to create content. There's the Captions app, which allows you to create, we have scripts that you can copy, so text, and then you can read it off the screen, and you can read the screen, you can read the text, and the captions will make sure that your eyes are not looking in the screen, that you can read it, but it will change your eyes with AI that you look in the camera. So it's pretty cool with artificial intelligence that you're able to do that. But again, there's many different softwares out there that offer these services and free, or some of them have very little fee. Of course, ChatGPT is amazing to create content, and if you combine ChatGPT and Canva to create bulk content, it's amazing to do that, right? Because it is kind of personalized to what you're trying to sell, but you create content in bulk, and then you can download the content and use Facebook Studios the way I showed you before, and upload your content, create your posts, write your text, and write your hashtags. And you can, for example, tell ChatGPT, I need you to create me 50 posts related to this and this product. You can copy the description of the product, and you tell them, write me 10 different texts that are very, very short, that I can embed into a image, into captions, into Canva, and into the image itself, and he will create the text. And you have different versions. And again, I'm not going to explain into detail what kind of script, what kind of prompts you could write for ChatGPT, but there's many different prompts that you can use. You can Google it, give me prompts to create short product description of a product, and that's it, and see what happens. But again, on ChatGPT, you could write, this is my product description. I need to create 10 different options with a very short product description or a title, and then you also tell ChatGPT to write you the captions and hashtags, and you put everything on in a table, and then ChatGPT will do it, and you could copy the table and put it in Canva, and he will do it. So I would just make sure that when you create the content, right, the hashtags, for example, I would not use what ChatGPT does, but what Facebook or Meta Studio or the platform shows you, what has a lot of high searches, right? And when you do that, it will allow you to create a lot of content relatively fast. Of course, it's more effort than just copying and sharing a link the way you described it, but that's the best option. Now, point number 10, the last point, what is it? What kind of tools do we give you to succeed? Again, first of all, I would follow us on Telegram. And again, you have all the links in the description here in the link bio, right? You have our Telegram channel here, you have a Facebook group, our Instagram group. I will always post content in these two channels so that you stay up to date. I will share the most important relevant information in the Telegram group. You can write me an email if you have any questions. On YouTube, you can follow us. On this page itself, I will update links. We will update videos whenever they become available. So in case you have any questions, you can always stay up to date. Here on these two links on your dashboard, these are also the two more important sections, right, besides the link page that I showed you right here. Because on this section right here, we will talk about everything that is related to branding, content creation, right? Especially the media library. When you click this video and you watch this video, I will always update this video. I will also always update the links that are in this video here that you see here, where I'm populating here. I will always update the content there. You will always have new images. You will always have new videos that you can use to download to create your content, right? And to teach you. Again, I'm here to help you. If you have any questions, you can always reach out throughout all these means. Like I said before, you can reach out through email, right? You can join the Telegram group, you can join in the Facebook and Instagram group, you can text in these individuals' accounts, and I will make sure that I will respond to answer any questions you might have. Again, this video right here was to give you a complete walkthrough for absolute affiliate beginners. and to teach you as much as I can in a very short time. I know this video is going to be long, but at the end of the day, a lot of you have asked for this video for absolute beginners, and that's why we recorded this video. And again, if you want to educate yourself more, there's plenty of resources out there that are up to date, right? Especially on YouTube, you can find videos that teach you the current algorithm for this particular month, which is important because the algorithm will change. It's not going to help you if you find a video that is 2 years old. Make sure that you always watch the latest content is out there. And again, will educate myself as well. And if you have any questions, I'm always happy to respond and give you feedback. I hope this video helped you. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below or follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Take care.